This is the elevator at 20 Broadhollow Road. It is a Schindler HXPress. Let's see if it's open. Yep, it is.
Very wide.
Yeah, I know. It's a weird cab. Come on. There we go. Oh yeah, I was giving it a second because it rang up. The call station on the upper floor is wired backwards. Okay. That was fun. As usual, door code does not work because it's Schindler. Schindler HXPress. Schindler Surprise. This used to be a county. Similar to that one elevator that we saw in Hicksville that was shut. It was this, basically.
Two chimes.
Double chime. Bouncy. It's got the very, very wide cab.
Yeah, I'm like, here, this is
That used to be a hidden camera.
not a camera anymore. Not very hidden. Oh my god.
It used to be a mirror. I don't understand this cab at all. The cab is somehow warmer than the door. Watch, I'm gonna press up.
That's weird.
Yeah, wired backwards. Alright, well, that's how to Broadhollow Road. Bye.